Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing fabulous and I hope you guys had a great Diwali. So right now I will be reacting to the first glance of Vikram, Kamal Hassan sir's upcoming film. And by the way, when the poster itself had dropped, I mean the teaser of course looked great. It was so cool, he looked amazing. Then the poster dropped because I went crazy when the poster dropped because it, like, Kamal sir, then Fahad, who is my absolute favorite actor, and then Vijay Sethupathi, another actor that I just admire so much. Oh my god, it just gave me a heart attack only, I feel. So now we have the first glance after a long time, and they actually released this during his birthday. So wishing Kamal Hassan sir a very belated happy birthday. So yeah, let's just look into it. It's just like less than 50 seconds. So it's okay. We're gonna take whatever bits and pieces we'll get for this movie. The hype is already so much. The hype is already so much. Okay, let us watch this. This music. Oh, cool. Yes, happy belated birthday. Yes, the first look, the first glance is superb. It's superb. My goodness. Let's just, you know what, guys? Like when that thing opens up. And he's protecting, like, he's the one who's protecting people behind. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. And this looks like, you know, he's escaping from the jail, obviously. I love this poster. Just the title poster, because if you see, it's all like guns. It's fantastic. Like whoever did the artwork for this particular poster just nailed it. It looks very old school and yet so intimidating. So it's fantastic. Like it's all guns over here. Like look at this. The bomb is there. The big rifles. Then there's an axe over here. Wow. Then you see the knives. Very well thought out. Like the title itself is so well thought out. Wow, let me stop this. This I said in the teaser also. Teaser reaction. I'm going to say the same thing over here. The score. This is going to be one of the most epic standout scores, because when the teaser had dropped and we were seeing Kamal Hassan sir was like putting up all these, like putting all the guns and rifles in different places. So we know that he's already an intimidating character, and all the people were like coming in for this meeting. This Vikram, when it is saying, it's the same sort of music which was playing in the teaser. So we know that this is like the theme of the, you know, of the background score. So this is like the background score theme, main theme of the title person, like the titular role, which is Vikram. And the score itself, because I can totally see that this is going to have a lot of action sequences. I'm not very sure like hand-to-hand combat, but the action sequences which involves a lot of like ammunition basically. So we're gonna get a lot of that, and which will be backed by amazing score. Amazing score. But this is like a full mass film that I'm getting. But knowing that it is Lokesh Kanagaraj, even if it's going to be like a massy film, it's also going to be classy. That's what he gives. Like that's what he's known for. It's not just that he's including action and all. There's like a very nuanced storyline which is also involved, and that is what Lokesh Kanagaraj is known for. So I am hyped. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are hyped. Who's not hyped? Let me know. You'll be like, nah, I'm fine. I'll give this movie a miss. At least I am not in that category for sure. And the fact that this first glance is trending on 30 in YouTube, that says something. Like that's the power. That's the power that this movie holds, and you just know from this only that what hype has already been created for this movie, and it is going to pull in people inside the theaters because a lot of big names are involved and expectations are riding pretty high. So let's hope for the best. Let's just hope that everything falls into the place and this movie actually, you know, is a treat for us, the audiences, because if it's not enjoyable for us, no matter how beautiful you cut the first glance or the trailer or the teaser, at the end of the day it's not gonna matter. So I hope that we get what we are expecting, the expectations get matched. So yes, let's hope for the best. Wishing all the makers good luck for the release of this film. Let's see when the release date comes out. And yes, that was the reaction, guys. That was the reaction to the first glance of Vikram, and the first glance completely suggests me that you know, he is already in custody but he escapes, and then is it going to be like a cat and mouse chase kind of thing? We don't know. Maybe, because they've specifically shown that particular thing, that he's escaping. So it could be that. And yes, that's it, guys. I will end this video here. I definitely want to know your thoughts on the first glance. What did you think that what is the hint that they're trying to give? For me, I feel it's going to be more like a cat and mouse chase story with, you know, nuanced writing and stuff like that. We probably will get Vikram's you know, this character's background and all of that, what made him the way he is, all of those things. This is just my guess looking at 48-second first glance. So yeah, so yes, that's it, guys. I will be signing off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.